Are you going to start your home interiors? If yes, then you need to take care of only one thing before starting your home interiors. If not, you are going to get in trouble. If you want to know what is that, then please watch this video till end. Guys, the activity is very simple. Block your calendar with all your family members for a lunch or dinner. Yes, you heard it right, for a lunch or dinner. Once the lunch or dinner is done, then take out your floor plan, put across all your family members and ask for their desires and the concept they are looking for. Because home is something you build once, and make sure you fulfill all your family members' desires. Come up with something unique and make sure you freeze the designs and have clarity in your mind what you want for your home interiors. Modify if you don't like anything and make sure you freeze the design. I mean freeze the material, laminates, hardware, accessory, each and everything. So don't worry, in the next coming up series I am going to talk about step-by-step process how we can freeze a design without any hassle. Once the designs are freeze, we can start executing. So look for the professional and skilled vendor who can execute our dream home. Yes. So before starting executing, take the timelines from the vendor and make sure you block your calendar twice a week for a site visit and cross check is everything going perfect or not. With this you won't get any trouble and you can move in your home without any hassle. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share and like. And with this is 𝐭𝐸𝐿 signing off. Stay tuned for upcoming series. Till the time, take care.